Hi guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I have something very simple for you, and what we will do you will see after my intro. Let's start with my picture idea, and I got my picture idea in the kitchen. Last week I was cooking some noodles and I was thinking, okay, the shape of the noodles are very cool, so let's do a picture with it. And now this is my picture idea, so let's go ahead with the material. And of course you need different kind of noodles in shape, so you can use some spaghetti or penne rigate like this one, or you can use different kinds in optic like farfalle, etc. And I think the picture will be more interesting if you have different kind of noodles. So you have to go to the supermarket and buy different kind of noodles, or you can check your kitchen cabinet if you have different kinds at home, and you can start right away. And my next item is the underground. I have black paper as underground. This is in the size DIN-A2, and then I have only a light tape to fix later on my paper on my table, and this is very light that I don't damage my paper later on, that I can use it for other things in the future. And these are the main items. Then for light I have my normal stand light. I use it normally for filming me, but today I have good weather and it's very light in my room here. And I will place it only on top to avoid a shadow, a drop shadow later on by my noodles. And also you can work with different shadows if you turn around the light to the side, etc. if you like to, but I don't like the shadow at this moment. I like to have the light from above. And these are my items, and now my camera is Olympus OMD1 Mark II, the one who is filming me right now, and my lens will be the 17mm lens. It's also at the moment at the front of my camera, but you can also use your kit lens if you like to, or you can use your smartphone to take great pictures. And now let's go ahead with my setup. My setup today is very simple. First you have to take a black underground and fix it on the right and on the left side with some tape on the table to avoid a moving around of your black underground, and this makes it very easy to make your noodle pattern design. And then of course you have to make a noodle pattern design, and then you have to take your light and place it above your noodle pattern design, and also then you can take pictures from above between the noodle design and your light, and you will have only a small shadow, but this shadow you can avoid later on in Lightroom or Photoshop. It's not a problem, because I also prefer that you make the black a bit darker later on, and this will help you to get a cool looking image. And now we can go ahead with my camera settings, and my camera settings are very simple today. I choose the manual mode, focused manually, and of course I switched on the image stabilization because I did my pictures by hand, and my ISO was by 200, my exposure time was by 125, and my aperture was by 1.8. And now we can switch to Lightroom, and later on we can watch my results. First I will crop my image, and my image is very bluish. Because of these I do a color correction to avoid the bluish tone out of my image, and also I do some basic color corrections. And then I use the stamp and avoid some dust and some spots on my image. And in the next step I use the vignette and make the surrounding around my center a bit darker. And then I checked also my final color corrections, and this is all I did in Lightroom. liked my tutorial, and if yes, please thumbs up, subscribe my channel and leave me a nice comment below, and this will make me very happy, and I think we will see us in the future here on my channel with something creative. And now I have to say goodbye. I wish you good luck. Ciao!